What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nate Vlog here, and we're in PV, all over the news. Check this out. House collapsed, all over the news. $1 million home. That's what happens. Look at that. Huh? How did it happen?
Okay, what happened is that
They got the binoculars.
what happened is there was a water leak in a drainage system that they didn't know, and it kept going on for years. And finally, the ground from the water leak caused the landslide.
All right.
And now they're suing the city for it.
Yeah.
I think they care.
Uh-oh. What is this, a hiking trail?
Yeah. This is how those people got in there.
Oh. Yeah, there's a close up. They got their own tennis court here. And over there's the ocean. Tell me what's been going on?
So there was two looters came in here about 5 in the morning to get what they could, and they got it. But the Torrance police, what do you call them? Helicopter? Not helicopter. What do you call them? Probes?
Drone?
Drones. Caught them. But it was the Torrance that did it. Not PV. Torrance. Caught them.
Yeah. And this is how they got through.
Can you imagine
here?
how much money are in there?
Yeah. Yeah, imagine how much, yeah.
Dang, it's so surreal, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like
Crazy.
this before. All my years. Wow.
Okay, now we're on to the next spot here. Another tragedy that just happened is a car went off the cliffs right here. So, yeah. Negative energy so far. All negativity. Yep. Oh, he's got his cane. Okay, here we go. Let's turn this around. Here we go. So, as you can see, how did this happen? Oh, right. It's close here. Yeah, it's right there.
Come on.
Oh, shoot. Looks like we're going through. All right. Right here. As you can see.
Come on.
Oh, shoot. We're really going in there?
Yes, come on. I didn't come all this way for nothing.
All right. Mr. J wants to go all the way.
You getting
right
all
here, right here. Look, right here. This is it, right
Got
here.
it?
Oh, shit. It's bushes.
Oh man, how do they pick it up? How did they have gotten it?
As you can see, this is what happened.
How the heck could they have gotten it?
Yeah, there's no car down there. There's tide pools.
That's nice, huh?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
How are we going to get down there?
Yeah, that's where it happened.
It went off?
Yeah.
They picked it up.
Oh, somebody drug it out.
How did they get it so fast? How did they do it?
Yeah.
Long cable.
Long cable. Look at drag this.
It didn't stop them.
Oh.
This shows what crap this is.
I thought these would be made out of wood, but they're made out of metal. That didn't stop it.
These people?
Yeah, almost.
Oh, you think it came this way?
Yeah.
Oh, it did, huh?
See?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, see? Part of the car.
Oh, is it part of the car?
Yeah, part of the car.
It looks part of the car.
Yeah, see?
There's a few places up there too.
Where?
Beautiful spot.
It's not hot. Oh, it feels good.
You can't go down there?
Yeah, I can't.
Oh,
I will. I promise.
Wow, what a drag.
I know. I mean,
Bummer.
I'll sit here.
Wow.
I'll wait for you.
There goes that.
God,
Wow,
Nathan. Nathan,
jeez,
feel
really?
bad. Here, I'm taking you all these places.
Wow.
Nathan.
Parts the car all
Okay,
over.
I'm gonna start working on my legs.
Wow, this is the trail to get down there and you
I
can't
know,
do
I
it.
said I'm
That's
gonna start
lame.
working out.
Lame, bummer,
Just give me about a month.
drag.
It's
Come
not going
on.
anywhere.
That's what the viewers want to see. But yeah, you know, turn this into a positive
Look
video.
at all the debris.
Oh look, more of this, yeah. It must have hit it hard.
Wow.
Yeah. So the car would have gone flew over.
This way, right?
Flew over the cliffs. Yeah. It's gone now. Yeah, something. Check out this view right here. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. See-through waters right there.
Imagine
See-through. Yeah. And you got this guy right here. Right?
Wow.
All right.
You're like I've never taken them down.
Looks good. Looks good. Absolutely. Yep. This was part of the car. It's his phone case. This.
Wow, that's the phone case.
Yeah, that's his phone case right there. Look at that.
Wow. Too bad it broke, huh?
Yeah, of course.
Wow. Oh, I'm sorry.
Otter.
Look.
It's supposed to be unstoppable. Yeah. Crazy, huh?
They had to be out of it.
So what happened at 2:40 p.m. in the afternoon? Like you would think it'd be at night. I'm guessing they were really drunk, drinking and driving crazy. Last
Back
Tuesday.
in the 60s, they didn't have the equipment to do that.
Yeah, they just left them down there.
Yeah, they left them.
Back in the day, a lot of cars would just go over and they would just leave them.
Corrosion.
So now, yeah.
They let nature engulf them.
Not anymore. Not anymore. They brought it right up. As you can tell, it's not there. So there we go. There we go. That's that. All right.
At least it's not hot. This is nice.
All right.
Let's find out. Right. See the speakers?
Oh, that's right inside. Wow.
You know what? They had to come. They had to come here. This is where they came out. I'm confused. What angle? They couldn't come this way. This wouldn't be here, right?
Yeah.
This would have stopped them.
Yeah. This exactly. So I had to come from over here.
Yeah, it has to be over there.
All right. Yeah, I think it was here. Uh-oh. What'd you find? What'd you find?
Your candy.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
This is where it happened.
Yeah. I had to... Or here. You think it was here?
Oh, right there. Right in front of you.
Yeah. No, here. It had to be here. Look at this. No, it's here. Right here.
Right there.
This is where it was. Right here.
Look. Look at the bushes.
Where's the bushes?
See that?
Yeah. Hold on. Let's look at these bushes. Won't these bushes be destroyed? Yeah, this is it. Look, it's because look, it got pulled here.
This is it.
Well, gone flying.
God, this didn't stop them? They must have been. How fast did it say they were going?
I don't know. I don't know that information. Here we go. Come on out. right next to you.
Oh, whoa, whoa. They're right here. Oh my. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, I thought they were gonna hit me. This close. That's close.
Did you put your arm out?
Oh yeah, I would've been gone. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Well, there
Wait
we
a
go.
minute.
That's
What a day,
PV.
what a
Turning
day.
this into a positivity video. All right, vlog's continuing. Of course, we're out here providing the best groovy videos possible here in the South Bay. Yes. So, like I said, let's turn this around and get the positivity going. All right, Abalon Cove. All right, so this time we're gonna get down there, right?
I'll watch you.
Wow, we gotta get down there.
Nathan's not going down.
We gotta
That's the
continue.
problem. It's coming back up.
That's true. That's true. That's always the worst part. Is coming
Whatever
back
goes
up.
down has to come back up.
That's why we're always out here doing leg day,
That's a just switch.
hiking all of it. Yeah, I guess he couldn't be able to do all this. Goes in, and you gotta go over there where the tide pools are. I think you were able to do
I'm
that,
not
huh?
ready yet, not yet.
I'm not ready yet. Well,
Not yet. I will be. I'll be working out. I will soon.
All right.
I want to go and we can go in the water when it's not so cold too. I mean, I want to go in the water.
With your cane?
Hmm?
You're gonna take your cane in the water?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, no. You want to go, dude? I don't care.
no, that's a.
Look at that.
Yeah, I know.
You didn't know it was that far, huh?
Yeah, it looks pretty fun. Go down there if you're willing to. Yeah. So, yeah, that's far.
I'm not ready yet.
Well, there we go. Abalon Cove.
Hey, you know what?
Maybe one day.
Listen, this is what we're gonna do. We're
Uh-oh.
gonna hold the backpack.
Yeah, hold
your food
that,
and
yeah,
water,
stuff, everything to hike
go
down
to the
there.
tide pools.
Yeah, this is where the tide pools are, all throughout here in the
We
PV
gotta have
Cliffs.
my walking stick. We gotta have a backpack with water, and snacks, trail snacks. Yeah,
Abalon Cove.
you got a backpack, right?
Tide pools.
Look what's in here. Look at the fish.
Yeah, all the little fishies are down there.
Look.
Nope.
But you can't touch
There we
them.
go. All right, well, this is the end of the
I
vlog
don't
here.
care.
Oh,
Let's go.
he's interrupting. Trying to figure out what we're gonna go eat. Anyways, okay. So hope you guys dig it all the way. Nate Vlog signing out here in the beautiful Palos Verdes, California, huh? South Bay, yes. Wow. People all around the world come here and check this out. So, and I'm living here, so dig it, dig it, dig it. So hit up my PayPal down below, support this groovy channel. And yeah, negativity in the beginning and end it off with positivity. So all right, we'll see ya. Bye-bye, signing out. Look at Mr. J already taking off. He's like, all right, I had enough, let's go. Food time. Look at him taking off, he's gone. He's out of here. All right, yep. See ya. Mortobello. Busy bee.